Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's class, I am going to read about an important article. It's a news article, online news. You can also check out and read TestDaf heute. This is the source, TestDaf heute online. You can read this news article. It's very important and we learn some new words. It is actually based on pollution, the poor air quality in the national capital Delhi. So we learn new words, new vocabulary, and find out some good structures. So let's see what is the news, and we focus on the vocabulary and Wortschatz because we are learning German. Let's begin. So here you can see the article and Schule bleiben wegen Smoke geschlossen. Schule bleiben wegen Smoke geschlossen. School will remain closed because of smoke. What is smoke actually? It's not fog. There's a difference between fog and smoke. Smoke means when there is a dust particle in the atmosphere. Dust बहुत ज़्यादा है, एयर में बहुत ज़्यादा पोल्यूशन हो गया है, उसके अलग अलग फैक्टर्स है रिस्पॉन्सिबल, बट नाउ एयर क्वालिटी इज़ वेरी पुअर एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड स्मोक. The Schule bleiben geschlossen. School remain closed. Geschlossen means to close. And because of, wegen means because of smoke, school is closed in New Delhi, India. Okay, now we'll read wegen der massiven Luftverschmutzung. Because of the massive air pollution sind in Indians Hauptstadt Neu Delhi die Schulen geschlossen worden. Indians Hauptstadt, the capital of India, is New Delhi, and die Schulen geschlossen, the schools have been closed. Geschlossen worden. Okay, this is passive voice. Die Schulen sind geschlossen worden. The schools have been closed. स्कूल बंद कर दिए गए हैं. किसने बंद किया है? सरकार ने बंद किए हैं. क्यों? वेगन Luftverschmutzung, because of air pollution. Vegan means because. It's a preposition. Vegan, because of air pollution. Vegan Luftverschmutzung. This is genitive preposition. Vegan Luftverschmutzung. If you don't know genitive, you can check out on my channel. Just type genitive preposition or genitive sentences or passive sentence. You will find a lot of videos and watch those videos and improve your German. Further, bis auf weiteres werde der Unterricht online abgehalten. Bis auf weiteres means till further notice, this classes will be online. Unterricht online abgehalten means classes will be conducted online till further order. Bis auf weiteres, till further. Erklärte Ministerin Atishi am Sonntagabend im Online-Dienst X. Online-Dienst, it's a social platform, online service X, which was earlier known Twitter. So on the X, Atishi, Delhi Chief Minister, has posted. When she posted? Am Sonntagabend, in the Sunday evening, Atishi posted an erklärte Chief Ministerin Atishi. She is the Chief Minister of Delhi. Erklärte, explained. Okay. Ausnahme gelten demnach für die Klassenstufen 10 bis 12. Till now, till the news came, Ausnahme gelten means there are exceptions, means class 10th and 12th students will go to the school and attend offline classes. But it might change very soon because the air quality is very poor. So far, this is the order. Class 10th and 12th are Ausnahme, means exception. This order is not applicable to class 10th and 12th students. Ausnahmen gelten. Okay, exception is valid for the Klassenstufe. Klassenstufe? Class grades 10th and 12th. Same bis 12. Next, die Behörden hoffen, dass der Verkehr erheblich reduziert wird, wenn die meisten Schülerinnen und Schüler zu Hause bleiben. Die Behörden hoffen, the officials are hoping, the officials are hopeful that the Verkehr, the traffic will be reduced significantly. Erheblich, significantly traffic will be reduced if most of the school children stay at home. I mean, there are school buses, school vans. So if the children will stay at home, they will attend classes from home, online classes. So traffic will be reduced erheblich. Traffic will be reduced significantly. This is the hope. This is the expectations of the Behörden officials. Die Grundschulen in Neu-Delhi waren bereits am Donnerstag geschlossen worden. The Grundschule primary schools have been closed in New Delhi, okay, already on Thursday, Donnerstag. Am Montag wurden eine Reihe weiterer Maßnahmen verhängt, darunter Beschränkungen für Diesellastwagen und Bauarbeiten. And there are some other measures which has been taken place, and among that, Beschränkung, restrictions for the diesel vehicles, Lastwagen, diesel heavy vehicles. Heavy vehicles basically run on the fuel diesel, so they have been restricted. Their entries from other states have been restricted. These are some other measures to curb the pollution. Bauarbeiten, construction work has been stopped in the city. Unnecessary construction work has been stopped, and diesel vehicles have been restricted in the city so that polluted air can be controlled, pollution can be controlled, and air quality can be improved. These are some of the measures taken by the officials in Delhi. Further, über Neu-Delhi mit seinen rund 33 Millionen hängt seit Wochen eine dicke, giftige Dunstwolke. New Delhi has been suffering since weeks eine dicke, very thick, poisonous Dunstwolke, poisonous, dirty, poisonous, cloudy, okay, cloudy weather. The weather is very cloudy and the clouds are very dirty. Dunstwolken. So it has been happening since weeks. Eine dicke, very thick, poisonous layer in the atmosphere. Die Feinstaubbelastung stuft ein System zur Messung der Luftqualität SAFAR inzwischen als schwierigend ein. In einigen Gegenden Neu-Delhis lagen die Smogwerte mehr als 50 Mal höher als die von der Weltgesundheitsorganisation empfohlenen Grenzwerte. In New Delhi, the pollution, the smoke, the number of the smoke level is 50 times more than established or than set by the WHO, World Health Organization. As recommended, a certain number, air quality number, if the air quality gets worse above that number, so New Delhi has crossed 50 times more than that number, which has been set by WHO, World Health Organization, Weltgesundheitsorganisation, which has been recommended. Empfohlen means recommended, Grenzwerte. There's a level, there's a border set by WHO and recommended by WHO, and this has been crossed. This is more than 50 times higher in Delhi. Wegen der schlechten Sicht haben Fluggesellschaften Verzögerungen gemeldet. And because of the bad visibility, Sicht means visibility. The visibility also very poor. If air quality is poor, visibility is also poor. So because of poor visibility, wegen der schlechten Sicht haben Fluggesellschaften Verzögerungen gemeldet. And of course, the flights have been delayed because of the poor air quality, because of the poor visibility in national capital. So this was the news. We have seen a lot of new words. I hope you have learned a lot of new words, and keep learning and keep watching all the previous videos made by me on the channel. If you want to join our target batches, link is given below. You can contact us directly for upcoming A1, A2, B1, B2 online live classes. Thank you so much. Till then, auf Wiedersehen. Bis bald.